Hi guys, what a historical moment today. I have HIDDM placement head with me, Bhakti ma'am. 5 साल से I've been talking about HIDDM. The college has grown really well and you guys are killing it, to be very honest. And now I have Bhakti ma'am. इनसे मैं सब चीजें पूछने वाला placement के बारे में because बच्चे बहुत पूछ रहे थे कि ना हमें placement के बारे में जानना है, companies वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह. But first of all, kudos to you and your team that you guys got Accenture strategy consulting on campus. जो I'm Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Calcutta, लखनऊ के बच्चों को पैकेज मिलती है. Same package, ma'am, same profile, same stipend and same final package also. How did you guys pull this off? क्या एज मिलता है आपके बच्चों को जिसकी वजह से वो एबीसी के बच्चों के साथ कंधा लगा के काम करते हैं, सेम सैलरी उठाते हैं? Over to you, ma'am.
Okay, at the outset, I would like to thank you.
Pleasure is mine, ma'am. Thank you
for all the appreciation. So yes, SIDTM have the edge on the other B school students in terms of technology. Because technologies are forte, and nowadays, if you see, technology is everywhere. It's not vertical anymore; it's horizontal. So for each and every profile, you require knowledge of technology.
Right.
So our kids have already a deep knowledge of technology, as well as they are learning all the general subjects which other B school students are learning. Right. So they have a ready-made product for all the organization who are working in this technology domain. And that is how we are actually able to get all the good organizations on our campus for the recruitment purpose.
Okay, fantastic. So I have a follow-up question on this. So a lot of people are now preparing for their MBA. Okay, they will be joining these schools in the year 2026. There are some people, they have already joined B school in 2025, right? So you have been, working with all these giant companies in the country, right? You've been able to place kids, out and out. Tell me a couple of personality traits because of which a person or a student can make it to these big companies. Some common personality traits.
So first of all, if you are getting admission for MBA, you need to take these 2 years very seriously. These 2 years are not for fun. Of course, you can have a bit, but then you need to balance the academic, academic load. At the same time, you need to groom yourself as a corporate, because at the end of the day, you are stepping out from the institute and going as a corporate in the corporate world. So all the traits like good communication skills, whatever you are learning in the class, how and where to apply is very important. So all the competitions like case study competitions, presentations, you need to participate actively over there. You need to work in different committees, because committees are the real framework which is giving you opportunity to work as a leader, right? You need to do time management, you need to do the work plan accordingly. You're supposed to get the sponsorships, marketing, everything. So actually clubs are the platform where you can apply the knowledge and get that feel of corporate timelines and corporate structure. So good communication, then good theoretical and practical knowledge. Proactive approach is important. Casual attitude is not going to help you anymore. Rattabazi ka time gaya. You need to understand what you are learning and where and how to apply. That is important.
Perfect. I want to ask you your favorite question. Maybe because I put a lot of placement in my heads and they love this question. But the question is, students feel that a B school is a placement agency, and if they don't get placed somehow, they point finger towards placement guys. And I know this is a stressful job. But now let's talk कि ऐसी क्या गलतियां बच्चे लोग करते हैं जिसकी वजह से उनका रेज्यूमे उस लेवल पे बिल्ड नहीं हो पाता, या क्या गलतियां वो करते हैं जिसकी वजह से वो इंटरव्यूज क्रैक नहीं कर पाते इवन आफ्टर मल्टीपल अटेम्प्ट्स एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. What has been your experience in a general level, not DTM level?
Okay, so first of all, they need to do the homework, right? How their resumes look like.
Okay.
What is the industry's requirement? So they have to go to the websites on the industries and they have to learn what kind of requirements are there in the market at this point of time, and they need to build their resumes accordingly, right? So only academics will not going to help them. A lot of certification, case study competitions. You need to showcase that I'm a good product for your organization. Right? At the end of the day, institute can only give you the opportunity. However, you need to turn that opportunity in your dream company job. Right? So companies are coming, but at the same time, you need to attend it with positive and good attitude. Right? So अगर आप resume आपका देखो तो वहाँ पे अगर आप fresher हो, जैसे मैंने कहा कि देयर आर डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज लाइक क्लब एक्टिविटीज है, रिसर्च पेपर्स आप कुछ लिख सकते हो, ब्लॉग्स लिख सकते हो, राइट, इंटर्नशिप्स अलग अलग कर सकते हो, लाइव प्रोजेक्ट कर सकते हो. सो अगर वो इंटरव्यूअर ने आपका रिज्यूमे देखा तो उनको आपके रिज्यूमे से ही सवाल पूछना है.
सही बात है.
So you have to build your resume by using all these instruments.
Right. So, ma'am, you have a question. Please don't mind me asking you this straight up. So, I have seen a lot of students, right, over a period of time, they're very hardworking. And they're ready to burn the midnight oil. They don't want to enjoy. They don't want to have fun. They just want to study when they come to the school. But somehow, उनका grooming नहीं हुआ होता. So, I want you to sort of tell us that what sort of efforts been put by SIDTF onto such kids, जिसकी वजह से उनकी personality groom होती है और उनको फायदा होता है. Do you guys run these kind of initiatives?
Yes. So we have 3 placement models designed for our kids, where we are calling our alumni from different verticals to take their mock group discussions and mock interviews before they are facing their final interviews. So it's going to help them because alumni are actually giving required input, and if you take those inputs into consideration and work properly on those inputs, I'm sure that you will going to crack your final interview also. At the same time, for few students, 1 PPM attempt is not enough. So for them, based on the alumni feedback, we are giving them multiple upskilling mentorship attempt. So where 10 students are assigning to one alumni, and we are taking them through 4 to 5 multiple assessment sessions with that particular alumni. So after these efforts, they are good enough to crack the final round of interviews. At the same time, as I said, club में भी उनको काम करने का एक opportunity है. So by working with their peers in different committees, in different clubs, of course their personality is going to improve.
Yeah, because I have seen this change in DTM. A lot of students of mine, when they actually, when they were preparing with us, they were not that confident. But eventually they turned out to get 20 lakhs, 25 lakhs, 15 lakhs a package from SIDTM. So I thought of asking you this question because I've heard it in the past also that you guys have been working with them. So when it comes to mentor, right, do you guys also help to understand कि okay, according to your resume, you are probably a fit for consulting or a pre-sale, and फिर उसी domain के mentor आपको assign हो जाते हैं so that they help you, or is it general?
No, it's not general.
Okay.
Now we have our own database about the profiles which come into SIDTM and the required skill set, right? So we, at the first place, we analyze the resume of the candidate, and then we choose different profiles where he fits, and accordingly we are assigning the mentors to him. And then the first task mentor do is study the resume, have a one-to-one conversation, give the proper understanding of the all possible profiles where the student can get into, and then accordingly we start with the further sessions with the mentor.
Okay, fantastic. Now here is $1 million question. It's a KBC movement question for 7 crore. I would love to understand. So we know your average package and the highest is there on the website. But now let's dig it a bit. I want you to tell us that what are the top 5, 10 or big recruiters on the campus, right? If that's allowed, and what sort of profiles are given to kids on the campus, like multiple profiles, etc. Whatever you have, finance, marketing, etc.
So we have all big fours from consulting firms visiting our campus.
Okay.
All IT giants are visiting the campus.
Okay.
To name a few, Accenture Strategy Consulting is there, Technology Consulting is there.
अच्छा दोनों Accenture आता है, IT भी आता है, consulting भी आता है.
Limited भी आता है.
Super.
Right. Okay. So these are the few organizations to whom we are catering regularly, and of course there are new addition every time. As far as profiles are concerned, we have different profiles like project manager profile, product manager profile, consultant, associate consultant, solution architecture. So all these profiles are coming to SIDTM.
So you've got Prodman also, which is product management. Yes. Then you've got pre-sales also. Okay. So what sort of companies? Do you also have FMCG coming on campus or banks and all that?
Fintech we do have.
Okay.
FMCG we do have for internship. Not for finals because as I said, technologies are for tech. So fintech, healthcare, marketing, these are the telecom, of course. These are the major domain.
Okay. Okay, मैम इसको ना अगर थोड़ा सा हम एक बॉटम लेवल पे देखें just non-engineer, they're like even skeptical, so I did a video with Arjun sir also, right, and he said that 70% हमारा MBA core होता है, normal होता है, 30% हमारा touch होता है technology. So there are a lot of people they say that okay, if I opt for SIDTM as a non-engineer or a non-tech guy, what sort of profiles I can gun for, and what sort of domains or functions that I can get into. So you must have seen non-engineers getting placed in a lot of functions, in a lot of profiles. Can you name a few?
So basically, we don't have any discrimination in engineers and
Hmm.
non-engineers
Okay.
when it comes to placement.
Hmm.
So at the beginning, we do have bridge courses.
Hmm.
So if engineer is there, even finance is new to him, and
Right.
we have finance
Right.
as a minor specialization along with all three major specializations.
Right.
So we have finance bridge courses for the engineers, as
Okay.
at the same time technology bridge courses for the non-engineers. Right.
Okay.
So whenever we are approaching organization, they are going to evaluate you on the MBA level.
Hmm.
Right? So if they don't have any engineer, non-engineer criteria, we are
Hmm.
not stopping you to apply for those organizations.
Hmm.
And a couple of years back, in fact, non-engineer got the highest package at SIT.
Who is it?
Yeah, so if you perform,
Okay.
if you learn properly, and if you apply that knowledge, your performance will be able to fetch good package for you,
Hmm.
irrespective of your background.
Perfect. So, ma'am, this time the market is a little tight. We know. How you guys have been able to perform as far as the placement is concerned, and what do you expect in the future? If it's allowed to disclose, it's completely up to you.
Actually, we do have very strong, corporate partners, data
Mm.
partners, or what we can say, corporate partners with us. At the
Mm.
same time, alumni support is there. So there are organizations who are coming to SIDTM since long time, and regularly they are visiting SIDTM
that is
because of the
important.
quality and performance of the
Mm.
students. Every time, actually, with the help of corporates and alumni, we are making sure that our curriculum is aligned with the corporate requirement. We are bridging those gaps
Mm.
by taking extra efforts, and our students are actually have that particular age over the other B schools. So because of that, we have regular recruiters, and new recruiters are getting added. In fact, last time for summer internship, we exhausted our students, and still we used to get the requirement from the organization for the interns. So that is the important. Like, you have a good rapport with your corporate partners by giving good quality students.
Mm.
So they have that faith, which is
Mm.
helping us out. And of course, we have our own strategy, which we are
Right.
analyzing before every year starts, and that is helping us.
Just two things that I want to add up, and this is to help students also. Number one, very confidently you said regular recruiters, because a lot of B schools I've seen जहाँ पे एक हाथ साल एक कंपनी आती है, बड़ा पैकेज दे जाती है, उसके बाद टाइम.
Right.
So that is the confidence that you always see in a placement head when they say that यार हमारे यहाँ पे regular recruiters आते हैं, and that shows because you talked about student quality. When I was interacting with students, the PPO conversion is very high when it comes to SIDTM. So that is something I'm really happy about. Thank you so very much, ma'am, for giving some time. Any piece of advice to the students? Their snap is down the corner, and एक नया career का start करने वाले हैं अगले 2-3 महीने में. Anything you want to tell them?
Work hard and pursue your dreams. If you get a chance to come in SIDTM, we are here to welcome you and give our best for your bright future.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you guys for watching this video.